Hello, I'm Rick Cox, and I'm here to talk with you about our DupliMark social app. We created this product for companies that want to build a community of passionate customers and distributors. When a product changes a person's life for the better, they can hardly wait to tell people about their experience. And of course, we want people that have had a great experience to share that with others, so long as they don't make any claims that could get the company into trouble. This creates a bit of a conundrum that often ends up causing both the company and distributors a lot of heartache. You don't want to be the bad guy and crush the enthusiasm of a passionate customer, but you simply cannot have people out there making claims that could put you out of business. This is exactly what led us to build DupliMark Social. Our app is privately branded specifically for your company and enables your customers to share their experiences with one another in an environment that you can easily monitor and control. If the company decides a testimonial is compliant, they can enable sharing outside of the app. If something is shared in the app that might be inappropriate, users can report it, and the post is removed until it's been reviewed. These tools enable you to keep the marketing and compliance departments happy without damaging the enthusiasm of the customer or the distributor. Now, I'm not a lawyer and I don't play one on TV, but I do know that the FTC treats communication between existing customers very differently than communication intended to market products to a potential customer. Aside from keeping a company safe and compliant, there's another aspect of this app that I think can make a real difference in the growth and stability of your company. One of the reasons people stop ordering product is because they're not seeing enough of a benefit in using it. Many times, it's just a matter of making a few minor adjustments to the amount they're taking or how and when they're taking them. When people see others getting benefits from the products, it encourages them to keep going. Another benefit to our app is the ability to send push notifications to everyone who has had the app and notify them of upcoming calls or events. It can even be used for announcing flash specials that are available for an hour or two. This is far more effective than using email or other forms of communication that are both costly and easily ignored. Bottom line, DupliMark isn't another social media platform. It's actually customized to support your vision and grow your brand without having to worry about the compliance issues that typically go along with having a product that actually helps people. If you think DupliMark Social is right for your company, I'd like you to email us at duplimark@gmail.com and we'll set up a good time to show you a complete demonstration of our app. I hope you have an amazing day.